Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix App Store cannot sign in authentication failed error. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad, you're trying to log in with your App Store account, but you're facing the issue that whenever you try to log in with the App Store, you see an error that cannot sign in authentication failed. So let's see some possible fixes about this. So the very first thing, you just have to simply go back and you have to try to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi, cellular data, or you can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Once you have done, just go back here, go to your settings app, go to general, go to VPN device management, and you just have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN here, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go to software update and you just have to try to update your software. Once you have updated your software, just go back from here and here you have to try to make a force restart your iPhone to fix minor glitch and not do that. You have to quickly personalize the volume up and volume down and press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's see. You just have to quickly personalize the volume up, then volume down and press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, just wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry or you have to recheck if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so go for settings again. Go to general again and here go to transfer reset iPhone. Select resets and select reset network settings. So you just have to enter your iPhone passcode and then select reset network settings. No confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data. So you can easily try this. After that, your issue will be fixed if it's just a network issue. If it's still not fixed your issues, you have to go to Apple Support app. You can easily install it from your App Store or you can use Apple Support web. Select your iPhone from here. Select this more option. Then select App Store. And here just wait for this loading. And then select get more help. Then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.